What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the silver multi-tool. So let's begin. So the body itself is made of stainless. Well, I think it is probably stainless steel. I could probably trying to find the thing, but I can definitely know this is gonna be one of those stainless steel pieces. Stainless steel with a bunch of basically of four pegs all around it, and of course having like a ruler and a ruler itself, basically of 12 inches, around about of 12, like basically of 12 inches. Like I don't know, why is it basically moving? It's a really weird deal about it, but if someone uses it, that's fine too. Okay, to the sides. Now, we got is the file and the finger cleaner. You got is the Phillips screw, or Phillips screwdriver, with a, I guess a wire stripper, but no, I think that's where you could put your fingernail on that, or finger on that. And of course a can opener on that side. Meanwhile, for this side, you got the blade itself, which most of them are made of stainless steel. I guess for like an awl for tent repairs and stuff like that. Got a flathead screwdriver, and of course a bottle opener. So let's get to the sorry, that one's a little tight. Okay, there we go. So the size on the multi-tool's handle and while it's closed is around about of 2 3/4. Meanwhile, for the multiplier deployed is around about of 4/4. Meanwhile, for the file is around about of 1.5. Meanwhile, for the overall size is around about of 4/4. Meanwhile, for the Phillips screwdriver is around about of 1 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size with the Phillips screwdriver on is around about of 3 3/4. Meanwhile, for the can opener, itself, it's around about of, basically of 3/4. Yes, I know, joke. And then you have the overall size around about of 3 3/4. Meanwhile, for the other side, the blade is around about of 1.5 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size is around about of 4.5 inch. Meanwhile, for the tent repair, for that little poking stick here, is around about of 3/4. And then the overall size is about of 3 3/4, or no, 3.5 inch. My mistake. Meanwhile, for the flathead is around about the same size, 3/4. Meanwhile, for the overall size, around about of 3.5 inches. And then finally, we get to the bottle opener itself with the flathead screw, around about of 3/4 inches. And then you got to 3.5. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is pretty crazy. Like, this is a 1 cut, 2, well, basically 2 cuts, but not really strong ones too. So that's basically get some points off over that. So you could probably know that this one's kind of just like the Eton multi-tool. It's quite not the best I could get, but it won't be the worst one of all things. Again, things like Leatherman's, Victorinox, and stuff like that. Those are one of the better ones. It's kind of like Eton too. Like, this one's a little loose. Now this one's like pretty solid. Ooh, that's not good. So I'm giving the silver multi-tool an astounding of like a 7 out of 10. You know, I could probably find like a better multi-tool, because something with loose stuff, it's not going to go well. So that wraps up of the silver multi-tool. I'm Artillboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.